Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what China is like. China's economy is expected to see steady growth, with projections around 4 to 5%, supported by various government policies. The nation continues its strong push in green energy, leading global advancements in solar and wind power. Furthermore, technological innovation, particularly in artificial intelligence and advanced manufacturing, is a core focus, driving industrial upgrades and global competitiveness. China's economic growth is currently propelled by high-tech manufacturing and robust exports, though domestic demand and the property sector present ongoing challenges. A key national goal is achieving 70% self-sufficiency in core high-tech materials, aiming to lessen reliance on external suppliers. We also anticipate significant breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and space exploration, backed by substantial research and development investments. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding the information useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. On another note, quick recommendation: make your meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Social media is deeply integrated into daily life across China, with over 1 billion active users engaging on platforms like WeChat. Urban centers are highly automated, showcasing self-driving vehicles, service robots, and widespread facial recognition for payments. The government is also actively implementing policies and incentives to encourage larger families, aiming to address the challenges of an aging population and a declining birth rate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.